Yo, 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 what is up, gang? You are probably wondering how to actually convert your pretty pictures on the computer into real-life objects, and that's what this short video is all about. Here is my cam that I have created. It's a very generic cam. Your cam is probably much cooler looking than this one. And there's a couple different ways I could make this cam. For both the CNC router or the LaserCutter, the way we're going to get this file ready for cutting is pretty simple. We're going to right click on the face we want to cut, so obviously the front face, and we're going to go to Export Face As. So we go to, I'm going to do that one more time so we can all see that. Right click the face you want to cut, go down to Export Face As, and then we have to make sure we've chosen this AutoCAD DXF or .dxf file. Okay, there's two different choices. We want that .dxf file. And then we're simply going to save it. I'll save this as Chris Cam Demo and save it somewhere where you know where it's going. I'll save mine in my desktop. Not Chris Cam Demon, but Chris Cam Demo, and save. Okay, that's it. You're going to upload that .dxf file to your part 5 of your assignment. The other situation you might find yourself in, let's say you would like to 3D print an object. So for your cams, we're probably going to keep these all to either the LaserCutter or the CNC. And we can laser cut some and CNC some just so you guys can learn the differences. But if you'd like a little bit more complicated thing, like potentially like a Minecraft dragon or something like that, shout out to Kieran and Spencer, I think. If you're trying to do something a little more complex like that, you need to create a different type of file. And all you have to do is come up to File, Save As, and then go to Save Copy As. So save a copy. You don't want to lose your Inventor file. And then when you're up here and save a copy, you're going to click on this file types, and there's a bunch of different types you can choose from. We want to choose a .stl file or STL file. Choose that, and I've already saved one here, but you can go ahead and save it. I won't save it because I already have, and then upload that file to the same assignment, part 5, and we can get that thing going in the 3D printer. That's about it. You're going to need to make a file for each of your parts, either a .dxf or a .stl, based on how you want to make it, either 3D printing or using the LaserCutter or CNC. Thanks.